To use filters in a table, start by selecting the column headers where you want to apply the filter. In this example, select the headers month, days, and season. Headers are required so Excel knows how to organize and filter the data. Next, go to the Data tab and find the Sort and Filter group. Click on Filter. Excel will add small drop-down arrows to each selected header cell. These arrows allow you to filter the data in each column. Let's try filtering the data. To show only the summer months, click the drop-down arrow in the Season column. All options are selected by default. Click Select All to clear them, then tick Only Summer. Click OK and the table updates to show only summer months. You'll notice that some row numbers are missing. This means the other rows have not been deleted, they are only hidden by the filter. The data is still there and can be shown again at any time. Now let's apply another filter. Suppose you want to see only the months that have 31 days. Click the drop-down arrow in the Days column. Click Select All, then tick the value 31. Click OK. Excel now shows only the summer months that have 31 days. This demonstrates how you can use multiple filters at the same time to narrow down your data. You can use these same steps to filter any table. Filters help you quickly focus on specific information while keeping all original data unchanged.